Sensibility and practicality define the 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated door mirrors, a power rear cargo door, lane departure warning, and power windows. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.